Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Park City, which is located right here in Niladri Nagar in Electronic City in South Bangalore, and this project is developed by Brink Corporation. And today we'll be doing the teaser of the project in which we'll be revealing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now I'm inside the land parcel and this is the marketing office of the project. So let me inform you, the land parcel starts from here and goes up to 16 acres. Now about the main entrance. So your main entrance will be right in front of me over here, connected to Hulimangla main road. Now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So, Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So basically, Park City is spread across 16 acres of land parcel which is divided in two phases. Currently launching with phase 1 which is spread across 10 acres with 6 towers of 2 basement ground plus 7 floors, having 3 BHK premium residencies, and additionally they have 1 BHK as well. Basically this is the low density project. Now about the location part, and the project is located on Hulimangla main road in Niladri Nagar in Electronic City, South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and right now I'm standing on the main entrance. So this will be the main entrance of your project. And now about the main road. So this is your Hulimangla main road, and this road will connect you towards Niladri Nagar, and this road will take you towards proper Hulimangla. Now about the further connectivity and the location of the project. So you can connect to Serene International School in 1.6 km, D-Mart is 4.8 km away, Electronic City Metro Station is 5.6 km, and even you can connect to Toll Plaza in 4.5 km from the location of your project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project provides you 30 plus world-class amenities. And one more thing to inform over here, that the project is based on park theme. There is 73% of open space, 5 acres of greenery. Coming to the amenities, here you can have a look. This is the basketball court, cricket pitch, 22,000 square feet of dual clubhouse. Additionally, there are 9 types of garden, that is the park, with its own name and own specific amenities. Other amenities like a swimming pool, kids play area and many more. Now let's discuss about the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project is coming up with majorly 3 BHK residencies, and even 1 BHK is also available. So 1 BHK has 2 configuration. One is 704 square feet and other is 928 square feet super built up area. 3 BHK here is starting from 1645 and other configuration is 1666 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and currently the project is in pre-launch stage and our EOI window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI, and even you can proceed for the booking very soon as it's launching in next 2 weeks. So everyone, this was a teaser of Brink Park City, which is located in Niladri Nagar in Electronic City, a project developed by Brink Corporation.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.